for Texas Roadhouse, and yeah.
I don't know how much of that it recorded.
Oh, really?
I'm still getting used to this camera.
Did it stop?
Just start over, I guess.
Really? Oh, that was dope.
It wasn't recording, my bad.
So Josh,
Take one, take two.
welcome back, guys. Josh Landis here, SoCo Customs, sitting here with my buddy, my friend, my family, Jeff Tuber. Just wanted to come back, give you a little update on this tuber build that we did for him. He lost his son and came to us and just wanted to do a tribute build for his son, and we turned this Colorado into just that for him. And he's done some upgrades by himself, but he just came back by to say hi to us, and I just wanted to reach back out to you guys. Absolutely talk about motorcycle safety, all of that stuff for sure. I mean, I know that's on Jeff's heart because that's how he lost his son, but at the same time, guys, just be careful out there, all you two-wheelers. And but we just wanted to bring him back, and he was going to kind of express to you kind of his time here at SoCo, all the builds, and then kind of tell you about what he's done afterwards. And he also took it to a car show, and we'd like to see how he placed. So go ahead, Jeff.
Cool, yeah. I just want to thank you again for everything you've done, man.
Yeah, bro.
Appreciate everything, brother.
All of it.
Love you too, bro. Yeah, and second that of the motorcycle safety, man. Just, man, guys, keep an eye out, and you know, I know you're gonna test it, and just kind of, you know, just be safe, man. Just be safe. And anyway, and then on the second note, yeah, I bought the truck about a year ago, and we came down to Springs and bought it, and my girlfriend said, you know, there's a logo on one of the trucks at the dealership. She goes, I know that guy. His name's Josh. So,
yeah, it's all her fault.
So we brought it down here, and I met Josh for the first time. He never knew my son or myself, you know, and he brought a tear to his eye and said, we're going to make this look awesome, this truck. And
I was crying like a baby.
Sure enough, he did, man. He made it look awesome. I was so happy about it. And so I came down, and I want to, you know, personally thank him again. And I haven't seen him for a while, so, you know, I'm so happy with this truck. And I don't drive very much, but
tell him about what you did.
Yeah, I took out the factory headlight to put a new factory aftermarket headlights with the tinted. You know, it's tinted. I put LED bulbs in there. Put the fog lights. They turn different colors, you know, any color you want. They'll beat to the music, just like the ones that Josh put in for me. I don't know if we had the sticker of my son on the back end on both sides. We put.
Yeah, you added that.
I added that. That was in his dirt bike outfit, which I have, and that's why Josh kind of matched the blue and the green, because he had a helmet that had that colors on his helmet. That's why kind of Josh put the blue and green into the truck. And then I put the back lights. I took in the third brake light. I put the aftermarket ones in.
Heck yeah.
And then I put those little green lights for the license plate lights. I put the green in there. Yeah, and then, you know, Josh has his little, put those lights in for me there too. And I have the green lights inside. It's only other little things. I got the green dome lights in there. So, yeah.
You did a great job, man.
Yeah, you did awesome.
Those little touches are awesome, bud.
Well, how to do with the show?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the show. Yeah, I was like, yeah. So I entered in a Father's Day car show this Father's Day and took first place on it. Got a little plaque, number one, and got a little $50 gift card for Texas Roadhouse. So yeah, the only car show I entered this year and took number one. So yeah, so hopefully do more down the road. Maybe we can hit SEMA next year and check it out. We're gonna try to do it next year. So
it's just like that, guys. I mean, here at SoCo, man, we are not about just the money. This is not about the build. This is about the story that we can tell with your truck, or if you have somebody that, you know, maybe you've lost or you want to pay homage to, or you got a, you know, son that's racing motocross or anything like that you want to do. These are the kind of things that we can do, but most of all, we definitely want to take this time and just, you know, show some awareness for motorcycle safety. 100%. You know, that's Jeff is living with that every day, and it's real difficult, you know. Losing a son, I can't even imagine what that's like, but Just so thankful to know you, bud. You're like family, bro.
You are my family. Yeah, you said you're my family.
Shoot.
Yeah, you know these guys are SoCo, so they're great, man. These are great guys. They know what they're doing. So if we ever have any kind of vehicle issues or want somebody to hook up your cars, vehicles, like I would highly recommend SoCo Customs, man. Definitely, these are the guys to go to.
Thanks so much, bro.
Yeah. Tuber 22 right here.
Tuber
man.
22, baby. All right.
All right,
Thanks, bro.
Thank
Thanks
you,
so
man.
much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.